Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using it. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here on the side of the device. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called screen timeout right here. And to change the duration, simply tap on this option. And once you see this message, you can press the button on the side to skip it. And as you can see, we have it's changed to long now, and we have a couple of durations. We have default, this is the automatic one. Next we have medium, and then we have long. And once you select the preferred option, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.